this is Tanu. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful and budget-friendly invitation card for naming ceremony. And I also made the hammers for baby boy and baby girl. I will leave the link in the description. If you guys like my videos, give it a big thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed, guys. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. First, we're gonna need to print the images. I will give the images link in the description. Both glitter and plain foam sheets, satin ribbon, paper punching machine, double-sided tape, glue and scissors. First, we are going to cut out the images. For that, I'm going to draw an outline so that we can easily cut it out. I will add the products link in the description. Now we can cut it out. Cut it carefully. Let's cut other images. Ta-da! Our images are ready. I edited this text in InShot. I will add the app link in the description. Now I'm taking a plain hot air balloon for designing. First we're gonna cut out that white space. For that I'm using a paper cutter. Repeat the same step on the other side. Now I'm taking a glitter foam sheet. It will give an embossing look to our card. Now I'm going to stick it in a center using a glue. Now I'm taking a plain white foam sheet. Draw the outline of a hot air balloon and also don't cut out the basket before the outlining process or else it will become difficult to draw an outline. Now cut it out. Now I'm using a double-sided tape. It will give an embossing look. Add some glue and paste it in a foam sheet. Now you can see the embossing look. Now I'm going to add some stickers using a double-sided tape. Now take a white glitter foam sheet, draw this design and cut it out. Now I stick this using a glue. Now I'm going to stick this steady using a glue. Cut out the extra foam sheet. Now I'm taking another hot air balloon. Make a hole using a paper punch machine. Now tie it using a satin ribbon. Cut the extra ribbon. Our invitation card is ready.